Which comes first, the chicken or the egg? Can you answer that?
Let's get started!
Let's add now the onions and the chicken and cook until the meat gets tender. Okay guys, let's play a game. Which comes first, the chicken or the egg? Can you answer that? Whether your answer is the chicken or the egg, just try to make this chicken and egg rice bowl. Surely you will love this, guys. Let's add the eggs and then the green onions.